LOSI! You did it again, LOSI. Oh my gosh, you are just... See that? There's the nail. Pow, there's a nail. Pow, hitting the nail on the head. LOSI, this is why I have declared you publicly, not today, but in previous videos, as my new favorite ground vehicle company. Which means what? This is my car. This is my car. Today is an unboxing video of the '69 Chevy Camaro Dragster. What? Ready to run, race ready out of the box. And they've got this red scheme.
It's the Summit
an America
Racing
scheme.
Trim.
That's the Summit Racing Trim, but we got the classic blue, baby.
And this is officially licensed with the 1969
Oh my gosh. They even have
Camaro body.
true slicks on the rear tires with the long wheelie bar on the back. This is a dragster, baby.
Yeah, here, let
This
me
is a
turn it
dragster.
around. It's crazy.
LOSI, you did another shelf queen. Who wants to even drive this thing? Ever.
I'm worried
I don't want
for
to
it.
scratch it.
I'm worried for it if you drive it.
So what happens when you buy something like this is you have to buy two. And they have to be the same color. And guys, back me up. Listen, back me up in the comments, please. When you have something you love, be it a tool or a toy.
You are out of room!
I don't
You're
care.
out of room!
I don't care. I will make room. Where's the Traxxas? Where's the Traxxas? We'll throw it out of here. The crawler's gone. This will fit. You have a shelf queen, you have one you drive. Am I right?
I don't even see the Traxxas there. It is.
Exactly.
It's up there.
It's up there. I'm just joking. Sort of. Not really. So we're going to unbox this today. True first impressions. I really, really wish you guys could have heard us take it out of the cardboard box that it came in. Because, like, to be a fly on the wall, I knew that we had a '69 Chevy Camaro coming.
Yes.
Dragster.
And obviously this was sent to us because it's day one release.
Yeah,
you know.
yes. That's one of the cool things about having 260,000 subscribers that are all RC-minded people.
Yeah.
Occasionally you get a little perk like that. If you want to support us, I should say this before we get in here. If you appreciate family-friendly content that actually has morals that we stand by on our channel, you like supporting that, this is linked in the description box below. If you order yours, batteries and everything, through those links, you support us. It supports us, but it doesn't cost you an extra penny, so please consider that.
All right, Nate, do you have your knife?
I've got my knife.
Do you have your zip tie cutters
No.
just in case?
No, there's no zip ties in here. Guaranteed.
Doubt it. So this is a 1/10 scale, two-wheel drive
Oh, and it's mine.
drag racer.
That's all that really matters. Not yours, mine. Okay, but you can help me open it.
I let you drive mine. Just remember.
You'll drive it. You'll drive it. There's no
Okay,
question.
ready? Oh, this should be RTR branded.
Wow, why is it not? Why are there not two?
Looks so
Hang on,
good.
I need to show everybody. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Oh
Well,
my
one zip tie's down.
goodness.
You still need your second zip tie cutter.
Wow. Yeah. Did someone at Horizon drive this before we got our hands on it?
It looks like it.
I think they did.
It looks like it.
That's
There's
okay.
2 stickers on the outside.
That's okay. I don't blame you if you did. It's okay. The tires are clean, so they did a good job cleaning them. Well, anyway, that looks so good. So, what's it missing? Right out of the box. Come on, what's it missing?
RTR stickers.
And 2 white pinstripes.
Oh yeah, that would look cool.
That would look amazing.
We need a vinyl cutter now.
We need a
I'm
vinyl
buying one
cutter.
tonight.
No, you're not. We just got this.
This is very...
Wow, those slicks are cool.
All right, get your
Okay.
zip tie cutters and drive me crazy.
Wow, look at that.
Our lights hitting it look so cool from
It's
my
gonna look-
perspective. You guys can't see the
It's
lights
gonna look
reflecting on
so
it.
good on the shelf.
I love how like low riding this looks. Like there's no... Hold on, let's cut the cardboard.
Yeah. What is that, a 1/4 inch of clearance?
Well, cut the cardboard. It'll
Okay.
look a little different.
Yeah, let's go for it.
Zip tie.
Yeah. LOSI. Oh, LOSI. It's got an aluminum chassis.
See that? It's a 22s chassis.
Wow. This is going to be a car. How cool would this be if somehow I could rig it up with 2 smoke machines? Just hear me out. Just hear me out. They're hidden though. They're tucked inside
No, what it needs, it does have LED lights. I saw it on the box. It needs lights underneath. That's all this needs, Nathan.
Maybe.
Don't
Lights would look good. But what would it look like if you had two smoke machines?
Stupid.
And on just when you juice it,
You're
kicks out
embarrassing me.
puffs of smoke, so like the tires truly smoked. How cool would that be?
Or you could just put like, don't they make for like real cars, they do like gender reveals when they burn out their smoke one.
A little bit of powder.
You could just do that.
Something like that.
Yeah, and not smoke machines.
I mean, when you see these,
it needs the bottom lights. That's what it needs.
it would be cool. Okay.
So it's a clear window so you can see inside of it.
I like what they did here with this one. The blue one is a clean slate, and it allows you to customize it if you want to, because you know it's a good car when right when you see it you start thinking about the cool things you could do to it, and that's just because it's worthy of that time. It looks good. I think I like this blue. The solid blue looks amazing. Yeah, look at that. That's the longest wheelie bar we've ever had.
Insane.
It's just like a Dragster.
I can pop a wheelie all the time with this. That's hilarious.
Okay, so it is sweet. Those chrome on the wheels looks amazing. Yeah, you're doing exactly what I was thinking.
I get why the body clips aren't curved up, because you're trying to make it look a little bit more sleek, but man, it's annoying when body clips
LOSI, now I don't know, they probably considered this on this car, but how sweet would it be if it was a hinging? Because they make dragsters in real life that the body hinges up, and I'm pretty sure I've seen the Camaro do that. How sweet would it be if someone could modify the body to hinge up, and then
wait.
Yeah, there's the lights. Cool, good catch. LOSI could have then hidden those standoffs for the body clips down underneath like they're doing on the monster trucks and stuff. Just don't take this too personally, LOSI. We love you guys. Just if anybody at LOSI even watches, I don't know. But
it has taillights too!
Good.
There are taillights ran. So you got the front, and those lights look so good on the front grill, but oh look, there's spots for more lights too up front.
Yeah, same in the back.
You can run more lights there.
Same in the back. Very nice. So if you want to add turn signals and reverse lights, you could.
Oh, that's so cool.
Good job. For just all you have to do is punch out a little hole. It's a little chrome plastic piece.
The middle one has the light ram, but then there's like two options. You can put more right there. That's
very nice. And it's just a JST plug, so it's a nice universal connection. Look underneath this car. Wow.
Oh, that's good.
I like how the arms raise up quite a bit. Look at the A-arms up front. They have a very interesting shape to them, where rather than just being a straight arm, they kind of swoop up. So that is really interesting to see. The shocks up front look really nice.
You have Mickey Thompson tires. So the back tires are for the drag racing. They're slicks.
Oh, and they feel good.
These are the low drag tires on the front. It's pretty cool.
So this comes equipped with an IC5 connector. Now, EC5 or IC5 battery connectors will work, but you can buy or make. I recommend buying because they're going to be made a little bit better. And no offense, some guys maybe can make them pretty good to do whatever plug you have on your batteries, but I highly recommend smart batteries. They're not just packed full of technology, but they actually perform extremely well too. By now, everybody should know that. Look at those. Look at the protection on the side of the chassis for the body. That's really nice.
The shock placement in the rear, it looks like it's a little farther forward maybe.
Yeah.
It's pretty neat.
It's really cool.
And the motor's mounted in the back, which is really cool.
It's all the way in the back.
It's all to give it the weight to pop up. Is that why?
You know, I'm sure.
Does it want it to pop wheelies?
Of course. It's there for weight distribution. Even the battery placement, what they did was put it as far back on the chassis as they possibly could. And then the ESC, really oddly, is like stacked floating up on a platform, which I don't know about that, because to me it looks like there's double-sided sticky tape that's holding that in.
That's what it looks like.
But also there is a mounting bracket there, so I think what they've done is they put there's a mounting bracket on both sides holding that ESC on, but they've put a foam sticky pad between that to help dampen vibrations. But let's take a look at the radio really fast. Oh, you already got it. So there's no telemetry on the radio.
SLT3 Spectrum radio.
Little disappointed by that, to be honest.
You do have the throttle limit on the side. Well, that's good.
I mean, that's a good radio, but now with the Spectrum smart technology out and this nice quality vehicle, I kind of would have expected the telemetry to be on the radio. I'm not going to hold that against them, but I would have liked to have seen it.
To be honest, though, from where this is day one, you guys, at time of recording, we don't know what price point this is coming in
That's
at.
exactly
so
right.
I'm guessing they did that probably to get it in at a lower price point. Also, what's on my mind is nowhere on the box does it say how fast this is going to go. It's 2 and 3S, right?
Yeah. So when we pulled it out of the box, Abby and I were like,
I was thinking it was going to be like success or something.
we were thinking felony or infraction.
That's how I said.
Because it's a dragster,
Yeah.
you know? And then we
looks so good.
we pulled it out of the box, and I saw on the box requires 2S battery, and I was like, oh, my crawlers!
Then you read on, saw it.
And I read on the ESC on the box. I zoomed in with my eyeball on the box to the ESC, and it does say 3S too, and that gives us hope.
2 to 3S.
Also, this is an IC5 connector, which implies a bit faster, a bit more robust. You want more amperage through there. So I think on 3S, this is going to be fast because it has to be, we got to hit at least 30 or 35 miles an hour, or I would be like it's a dragster, you know? It's not just a street car. So if you're into scale vehicles and you like your street RC cars, this is amazing for you.
I feel like it should hit about 40, but it is only 3S.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it's geared out and stuff. That'll make a big difference. So we'll do our best to get a speed test to you guys, but know that at time of recording this video, everything is just a solid sheet of ice right now. Even our drag strip where we drive these is just ice and snow on top of it. So you cannot do a speed test at all when you have a situation like that. So if for any reason there's a delay in getting a video out on this for you guys, it's just the weather. Wow, 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 wow. I love how the body goes over the edge of the tire.
It gives it that classic look.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
I think I've been more critical of this vehicle than a lot of vehicles, just offering some maybe like recommendations, what I would have liked to have seen on this. The radio for me and the lack of telemetry is a big one, but again,
listen,
we don't know the price.
There is no way this is going to be $650 like the
Like
Arma
the
felony
That's
and
exactly
the
right.
infraction.
That's exactly right.
It's definitely a shelf queen.
Oh my gosh. We're going to run it for you guys, right? We're going to do our speed test, but then I guarantee you're going to see it just beautifully shining under these lights every time we do an unboxing. Like LOSI is
I have to rearrange. I need to rearrange so like some of my favorites are more right here on this level. That's what I need to do.
We've got our Creighton flexing back there. Look at that!
Yeah, let's pretend that's not like that. There we go.
Parts are on the way. That's the good thing about them.
We haven't ordered them yet.
That means they're on the way. The LOSI monster truck over there. I love my LOSI desert buggies. This is actually to this. Should I show them my favorite LOSI vehicle?
Sure.
My favorite RC ground vehicle to date.
Sure.
I keep it right here, right close. The laser nut. Amazing. This is the best RC ever. Some guys that had a few gearing issues and stuff with it, but overall I just love mine. We were so hard on this when we did that epic bashing video and continue to be. It's a very good vehicle and sitting right by it. I've got my old, you can't even get it anymore, the Tenacity DB, what's the name? It comes with a light bar on it and everything. Just LOSI, you're killing it and you've had such a good year. And
I feel like I need to show my favorite LOSI.
Anytime we get a LOSI short course truck, it goes to Abby. This was a fun video too, the last time we had it out and did a video.
Yeah.
Wow,
like
that's like our default Facebook video is this. Wow.
Yeah.
LOSI's killing it, and I applaud them for doing some new things. We've got some variety, and that's not easy to do. You know, to come out, you got 2 different versions of this. Just because I want to see white pinstripes doesn't mean everybody wants to see white pinstripes.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're gonna buy a vinyl cutter.
This needs white pinstripes.
Yeah.
But you know what? I mean, that's just my opinion. So
I mean, it's like ready for them.
And
like you mean down the hood, right?
Of
like
course,
that?
yeah,
Okay.
the whole body.
I
Yeah.
wasn't sure if you meant like on the side.
There's 2
I'm looking at it like this.
There are different ways you can do it. There are a lot of modern ways to do pinstripes now, but the classic pinstripe is either 1 solid
Right.
or 2.
This one needs 2.
Yeah, nothing offset. Nothing offset. It is beautiful, guys. LOSI, great job. I cannot wait to do a speed test of this and just get it out and drive it. And then it's going to be a shelf queen because it's beautiful. Wow!
I love how many like cars we're seeing. You know, not as like I feel like this is the most like not truck, not monster truck, and not buggy.
Short course truck.
Like they're finally coming out with like realistic looking cars or unrealistic. Like I mean, the infraction is realistic, but then it's kind of unrealistic too. Like you don't see that driving around every day.
Well, we don't, but it does exist.
It does exist, but I don't see it every day. So
it's fun.
I don't know, it's kind
like
of
dream
neat.
cars.
Yes, that's exactly
Supercars.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's supercars, drag racers, that kind of thing. Because we don't see those every day. I mean, look at our collection. We don't.
Our collection consists of, because of the last eight years, tons of short course trucks. We've got our crawlers. There's a good variety in the crawling scene.
Tons of monster trucks.
Monster trucks and stadium trucks all day long, and so you know this is going to kick out something else back there.
All your desert buggies are down there. We got crawlers up there. It's crazy.
Desert buggy is my favorite style of ground vehicle, but this Camaro, wow. Good job, LOSI. Very good job. My overall lasting impression of this is just drool hitting the floor. The things that I say as I'm doing the video, like the Smart Tech, just decisions I'm sure you guys made to get the price point a bit lower, and just personal preference too. But that doesn't mean this is a bad vehicle. Can't wait to drive it. Can't wait to let you guys know how we truly feel about it. But I would be willing to guess that the first shipment of these are probably going to sell out. They're probably going to be on back order. So by the time you're seeing this video, that means you can pre-order the vehicle, which means they have them sitting in their warehouse, and at the end of like 10 days or something, they'll ship them out. And if you ordered it fast enough, you will get one. That's how this works when they come out, like it or not. Yep. And so if you like it, you better order one. And please consider using our link. It just helps support us.
Yep.
If you appreciate those values and things. So, guys, this has been awesome. I cannot wait to get it out and drive it. It'll be linked in the description box below. For an opportunity like this, I know we have 260,000 subscribers and all that jazz, but I truly thank the big guy upstairs for something like this. And the support that we have with our Patreons have helped our channel grow to what it is now today. So if not for that growth and support, we could not have the opportunity to do something like this. We wouldn't be recognized, you know what I mean? Back when we had 10,000 subscribers, this would not have happened. Nope. So the growth, thanks to our patrons, thank you. Oh, I'd love to say we have another running video that's popping up right about now, but we don't. So we will pop up my LOSI laser nut bashing video. What an epically fun day, the most air I've ever gotten on anything, and it survived. That video is popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye.